What's going on, everybody? Back with another build. Today we are making an AirTag wallet, also known as the Stuart wallet, because my best buddy Steve, aka Stuart, asked me to make one. I kept telling him no because all of the AirTag wallets I had seen were just basic card wallets with the AirTag kind of bolted on, and I thought they all looked really terrible, to be honest. I won't put any up on the screen to embarrass any makers, but simply put, they just didn't seem like a very elegant solution to this problem. So what I came up with is essentially a long wallet the size of an iPhone mini, where there's a cavity at the bottom for the AirTag, not adding any bulk to the wallet. So this is not going to be a full-blown tutorial or anything like that. I feel like using the laser engraver is a little bit cheating because a lot of people don't have access to that. The reason why I did it for this build is because the holes that you have to punch out for the cavity where the AirTag sits have to be so precise, and I don't have hole punches that are the exact size of an AirTag, so I just have it cut out on the laser printer. That said, if you have a laser engraver and you want the SVG file for this build, I'd be happy to provide it for you, as long as you use it for your own personal use and not for commercial purposes. When it comes to fashion and design, it's so hard to be truly original. Now, that isn't to say that my designs are truly original, but I really pride myself in trying to make things that I have not seen before. Most design is quite derivative of things that have come before it. And to be completely honest, a lot of my designs are derivative of my original gun deck design. I'm sure there's a lot of creators and makers out there that go through this all the time. So let me know what you guys think. Do you think it's okay to take someone else's design and then to sell it? Personally, I'm not a big fan of that. A lot of people ask me to make things custom that they send to me from other companies, and the answer is always no, because simply put, I don't think it's cool to take someone else's original design, even if they don't have a patent or a trademark on it. It's so hard to come up with these things, but at the same time, I don't want to seem unthankful or salty, so let me know what you guys think when it comes to taking other designs. So comment down below. Each thoughtful comment will be considered for an entry into a drawing for one of these AirTag wallets in any color combination you'd like. While I'm on the subject, when it comes to these giveaways, I will announce the previous week's winner on the next week's video. That way you don't have to jump back and forth between Instagram or email or whatever. You have to watch the next week to see if you won. I will announce it live in the video. Obviously talking a lot through this video, and I want your guys' feedback. Down in the comments, let me know what format you prefer. Do you prefer more ASMR style videos where you just hear the shop sounds? Do you prefer music? Do you prefer voiceovers? Please let me know. So talking about the construction of this wallet, it's essentially 5 layers, with the inner layers having these big circles in them where the AirTag sits. It creates a little cavity, and when you put the AirTag in, you get a really satisfying little snap. So going back to what I was saying before in terms of which format of video you guys like the best, I'm going to go ahead and let the music play and the shop sounds so you can get a comparison, a little juxtaposition. Please let me know which one you prefer. So there you have it, you guys. This is the Stewart wallet, the AirTag wallet. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned for the giveaway in the next video.